Hello, Paul here from EMD. Today we have a VW Amarok V6 diesel, 3 liter. We're actually replacing the actual brake booster. So let's have a look. This is the actual really tight between there and there, but we have to remove a few things out to actually get it out properly. That's the most important bit, but just have a look at the actual coolant. I just want to show this video, show the customer the actual color of the coolant reservoir. That's really bad. Probably needs a brand new one. You can flush it and try to clean it, but the time that you spend to clean this, you might as well get a brand new one. Just get an OEM one. And number two, this car needs a real flush, coolant flush. Drain all the coolant out and then flush it. Put new coolant into the system. It's the best way to do it. And we're going to just want to show you, this is the actual the second-hand booster here, and that's the one we took off, just old. And we're going to fit it right now to the car and do a brake fluid flush just under here. Okay, so that's what we're doing today. So we're gonna start fitting that back on, and then I'm gonna contact the customer to see if he wants me to get a new OEM coolant reservoir and a coolant flush done as well. I'm gonna get a new hose like that as well. This one here I'm gonna get it because I already put a screwdriver in there to try to move it back and forth. It's not that expensive, that cheap. So one of these cooling system is very, when you do this job, you gotta move this pipe out of the way. There's two screws holding it at the bottom here, so make sure you don't take that pipe off. Don't take that screw off, otherwise you'll bend the pipe out of the way and you damage this part here, and you end up having more problem up here. So you're better off just taking that out. They're very hard to take out. It's like super glue in there because never been out before. But once you get it out, if you do damage it, or even if you don't damage it, put a new one in there because you can't see the coolant leak until the car gets really hot, and sometimes you can pinch it without knowing it. So this one's very hard to take out, so I'm going to get a new hose, just that part, that little hose there. From VW or OEM, whatever is available, and then we'll go from there. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.